information that Maoists and particularly from battalions, few cadres, including the leaders, are planning to shift to Andhra Pradesh due to continuous pressure in Chhattisgarh. So we are keeping a continuous watch on that. In continuation to that, in last 1 or 2 days, we had a very specific intelligence that few of the top Maoist leaders are entering into Andhra Pradesh and they are planning to revive the movement. So in that continuation, today morning, one exchange of fire has taken place between Maoist and security forces, in which 6 Maoist dead bodies have been recovered. So far, what identification we could fix is Madvi Hidma. He is the Central Committee member and 1st Battalion Commandant and one of the most wanted and dreaded Maoist. His body has been recovered. His wife, Raje, her body has been recovered, along with 4 of his gunmen. In that, we have recovered few arms and ammunition, particularly AK-47 2, pistol 1, revolver 1, single bore weapon 1, and other materials along with kit bags and all. The body is being shifted. The postmortem will be done as per the due process, and necessary action will be taken after that. In continuation to that, because we were keeping a close watch in other districts, Vijayawada, NTR districts, Krishna districts, Kakinada, Eluru and few other places, we have arrested 31 people. Out of 31, 9 of them are security guard of Central Committee member Devji. Then remaining are from Battalion and South Bastar Zonal Committee. So all they were trying to take shelter and revive the movement in Andhra Pradesh. So on keeping a continuous watch on that, and we have waited for the right opportunity, and today that entire action is being taken. It is also reported that few Maoists have run away from the encounter place. The combing operation is still going on. Hopefully, we should be able to arrest them shortly. Thank you. Thank you very much.